Hi, I'm Jacob Cavazos, Senior Vice President and Community Reinvestment Manager at Broadway Bank. At Broadway, we're committed to giving back and supporting all the communities that we serve. And one of the ways we do that is with our partners here at the San Antonio Food Bank and the San Antonio Food Bank's Rescue Truck program. So today we're here to get a little peek behind the curtain, to meet the people who run the program, to learn a little bit more about the rescue truck, and see the tremendous impact that it makes on our community. Broadway Bank has been proud to support the Food Bank's Rescue Truck program since 2017. But what you may not know is the Food Bank actually operates a fleet of 47 rescue trucks that drive all around San Antonio and the surrounding areas, visiting cafeterias, kitchens, and grocery stores, picking up product that might not get used and redistributing it to those in need. So today we get the distinct pleasure of riding along on the rescue truck, visiting some pickup spots, and getting to see how and when it gets distributed.
So I'm so grateful to Broadway Bank for supporting our grocery rescue program. By financially supporting a truck, they're literally helping us rescue food that would otherwise go to waste and then deliver that out to different organizations throughout South Texas to make sure people get food to eat. There's nothing more impactful and there's nothing more efficient. It is literally where the rubber hits the road. So thank you, Broadway Bank, for just trusting us, but leveraging resources that are already available in the community and enabling us to get those resources to families. That's an incredible partnership.
Thanks for coming along for the ride today. For more information about how you can get involved with the San Antonio Food Bank and support their mission, please visit safoodbank.org. And to learn more about what Broadway Bank is doing in the community, please visit broadway.bank. Thanks again.